Assalamu alaikum, beautiful lovers. Welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut this lovely abaya dress using duchess fabric and a net lace fabric. As you can see, I'm making use of 3 yards of this duchess fabric and 1 yard of this lace fabric. So the first folding is going to be into 2, then into 4 for the duchess fabric before taking the necessary measurement. So let me go ahead now and do that. This is after folding. So this is after it has been folded into 4 for both back and front. The first thing I'm going to determine here is going to be the back measurement. The back measurement divided by 2. Here is it. Then I'm going to take a shoulder slant of 1 inch. Here is it. Then after that, I'm going to take the armhole measurement. My armhole measurement here is going to be around 8.5 inches. Then I'm going to determine the half length of 16 inches. 16 inches for the half length. So I want to rule out the lines to have a straight cut. You understand? At the bust and also at the waistline. Then I want to connect the armhole to the shoulder. You can see I cannot take the bust measurement divided by 4 now. So my bust measurement divided by 4. So this is what it's giving me with a seam allowance of 1.5 inches. The seam allowance also is not constant. You can make use of any allowance of your choice. So my waist measurement divided by 4 as well. The waist measurement divided by 4 with a seam allowance of 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to connect them together. Like this. You can see. Then I'm going to connect the lines to meet the bust and the waist like this. Make use of my armhole core to bring out the shape of the armhole like this. After that, from the waist here, I can slant it down to the full length. Before then, let me take the full length of this abaya first. So I'm starting from here. So the full length here is going to be about 60 inches. I'm using the whole length. And the 60 inches here is with the seam allowance. You can see this is 60 inches. And I'm not going to cut it. It's with the seam allowance. So the next thing here is going to be the neckline. So to take the wideness of the neckline here, I'll be making use of 3.2 inches. It's not of the 3.5. Then the deepness is going to be 1.5 inches. That is for the back. Then I cannot connect them together with my armhole cord just to bring out the shape of the neckline. Like this. So I'm connecting it to the shoulder slant. From here, you can see, to the 1 inch of shoulder slant. Like this. After that, I can now cut it out. Here is after cutting it out. This is how the shape is going to look like. You can see how beautiful this is. So the next thing here is to cut out the neckline. After the neckline, I want this down part to look round by taking some inches up to 2 inches. Then after that, I can now round it like this. Just curve it a bit. If you are not new to my channel, you will notice that this is how I normally round the down part of my abaya. Then you curve it in here like this. Just blend it with this down part. So after that, we can now open this out. To cut out the front neckline with the with another fabric we are placing on the front and on the sleeve. So let me take this out now. So this is what I'm placing at the front. The first thing I determined was the length of where that thing is going to reach. The second thing here is going to be the neckline that we took on the main fabric, then the deepness that we took on the main fabric. So this is 1.5 inches deepness, the same thing. Then I'm going to connect them together like this. Then the old shoulder measurement I used was 8.5 inches. So, but I'm not going to use the old shoulder measurement. When you check out the style, you see that it's not up to the shoulder. So that means I've minus up to 2 inches to make it 6.5. But I'm still going to take the old shoulder measurement here. So this is taking of the old shoulder measurement of 8.5. This is where it's reached. But me, I'm stopping my own shoulder at 6.5. Don't forget that is the 8.5, but I'm stopping it at 6.5. So I'll now sketch out the shape. Just follow me the way I'm going to sketch. I'm just trying to copy it, so I'm trying to check it properly, then curve it the way it is at the chest, so I'll get it perfectly. So you can see the way I'm doing that. So that is how, if you want to cut a particular kaftan and you want it to come out perfectly, so you have to study the pattern very well. So I've studied mine, then I want to draft out the shape at the front of the abaya. So just follow me the way I'm going to do this now. So the first thing I'm doing is from the neck to the 1 inch of shoulder slant. After that, I will connect them together. After that, I will take the length at which that curve is going to start from. So let me take the length from the shoulder stands to 6 inches. So that is what I'm using, 6 inches. Then here's my 6 inches. Then from this area to this area, I'm going to connect them together by curving it to that 6 inches. So with the help of this armor core, I think I got the shape perfectly. So from here to, I'm going to make use of the armor core as well to get the remaining shape like this. Then I'll try to connect it. From here, I will stop it, then I'll now use my free hand to the full length. You can see the way it is. So by the time I cut it out now, you're going to see it properly. Here is after placing it on the fabric. Then I want to load the neckline. This is the front neckline, so I want to load it. I load it with 1 inch, just to come down with 1 inch, and I'm going to cut it out like this. So after that, I'm going to divide the front, because there's going to be a zip at the front, so we have to divide the front down, both the fabric and what we are placing on it. So we're going to divide the two now. After the division of the front, this is the shape of the sleeve. We have done many tutorials on how to cut sleeve, so this is just a straight sleeve. Then we're going to cut the same shape we cut at the front of the abaya on the sleeve as well. So I'm using this to cut out the shape now. You used to place what you want to use on the already cut sleeve, then you cut out, because they are going to have the same shape of armor at the upper part. So then you shape it out, let them have the same upper part here. You can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to cut it out so that they will have the same cutting like this. So after that, you can now draft what you want to draft out from here. like this, then to the full length of this length we're using. So this is after cutting it out. You can see the shape of this as well. You can see they are the same shape. So the next thing here is to go and join everything together. Then I'm going to make use of rice lace. After placing this net on the fabric, I'll now use rice lace to cover the stitching. So let me go and do that and show it to you. This is after stitching it on the body. You can see, and you can see the rice lace I use here just to cover the area. You can see how beautiful this turns out. So the same thing applicable at the sleeve, as you have done that to the sleeve. So the next thing is just to join them together by joining the two shoulders first, then join the sleeve to the armhole, then take the roundness of the neckline to cut out your standing collar, then add it to it. Then do what next? You insert your zip to the front, and that is, and you hem the down part, and that is all about stitching of this abaya. You can see how simple it is. Welcome back. The finished work so far. This is after stitching everything, after adding zip to the front. You can see how beautiful this turns out. So here is the sleeve. I added an elastic cover at the sleeve mouth as well. Here is it, as you can see. If you're watching me for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing abaya cutting. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.